Before you begin any cleaning projects with your Cub Cadet pressure washer, thoroughly read your operator's manual for all instructions and warnings. Before starting the engine, put on your goggles, connect all hoses, and turn on the water supply. With the spray gun pointed in a safe direction, pull the trigger until steady water comes out, purging released air from the system. You should never pull the starter cord without relieving the spray gun pressure first. Attach the nozzle extension to the spray gun and attach a spray tip. You may have to twist or lightly tug on it so that it snaps into place. On the engine, push the fuel valve to the on position. Adjust the choke lever and move the engine stop switch to the on position. Be aware that the cord recoil could kick back. Kickback pulls your hand and arm toward the engine faster than you can let go, which could cause injury. For this reason, slowly pull until you feel resistance and then rapidly pull to start the engine. If starting fails, release high pressure from the gun and try to start again. Once started, slowly move the choke to the open position as the engine warms. If it falters, close and reopen the choke. When you are ready to clean, firmly grasp the spray gun pointed towards the dirty surface and pull the trigger to begin. To change the spray tip, release the trigger and pull downward on the wand tip, and remove the spray tip by simply pulling it off. Depending on your model, you will have up to 5 of the following spray tips: a red 0-degree high-pressure tip for maximum rinsing on stubborn items or hard-to-reach surfaces, a yellow 15-degree high-pressure tip for general rinsing or most all-purpose cleaning such as home siding or brick patio, a green 25-degree spray tip for general rinsing and ideal for most all-purpose cleaning such as home siding, decks, and driveways, a white 40-degree high-pressure tip for delicate rinse or gentle cleaning such as patio furniture, RVs, or boats, and a black low-pressure tip for applying detergent. Cleaning is most effective when the spray tip is 8 to 24 inches away from the surface. If the spray tip gets too close, especially with a high-pressure tip, you may damage the surface. To ensure that the spray will not cause damage, test a small area. If there is no damage, continue cleaning. For models with adjustable dial and wash, simply turn the dial on the handle to the desired pressure without adjusting the throttle on the engine. When using detergent, be sure to pick the right detergent for the surface. Pour the detergent into the cleaning tank for models with soap tanks on board. For models with a siphon tube, pour detergent into a bucket at a desired ratio of water and detergent. To apply, use the black low-pressure spray tip. To rinse, install a higher pressure spray tip. When you are finished using the detergent, remove the siphoning tube from the bucket. You need to flush out the pump by running plain water through for 1 minute with a high-flow nozzle setting. To stop the pressure washer, turn the switch to the off position to stop the engine. Next, move the fuel shutoff valve to the off position. Turn off the water supply, relieve pressure and leftover water by pulling the spray gun trigger. Let the engine cool. Disconnect the hoses and empty the pump of all water by pulling the recoil handle about 6 times. This should remove most water in the pump. Store in a cool, dry place. If you have any questions, we can help. Contact your local Cub Cadet dealer. It is very important to operate outdoors and never inside of a building or enclosure, even if windows and doors are open. Always remember, running engines give off carbon monoxide, an odorless, colorless, and poisonous gas. Breathing it could result in death, serious injury, nausea, and fainting. Make sure you have installed battery-operated carbon monoxide alarms inside your home and that all are in working order. Smoke alarms cannot detect carbon monoxide. To reduce risk of fire, give the pressure washer at least 5 feet of clearance on all sides, including overhead. Always wear safety goggles when cleaning or in the vicinity of your running pressure washer. Pressure washers pose a risk of eye injury as the spray could splash back or propel objects.